Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day. My friends, in this video, once again, I'm present with the today urgent alert update of the Vechain. This is the latest update, so keep watch, my friends. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Vechain in the market is 0.113075. USD dollar. That is the latest price and now the currently live price of Vechain in the market. My friends, as I told you in my previous videos about the Vechain, that the price is completely going down, my friends, and at this time they have no chances to the price pump. No chances, my friends. Yesterday is the final day of the Vechain, my friends. Not only the Vechain falls down, the whole cryptocurrency market is falls down yesterday. But now the last 1 hour pricing is going positive, my friends. And I'm feeling very good about a Vechain that the last 1 hour pricing is going positive. The last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is going negative about a Vechain, my friends. So I'm feeling good about a Vechain. And how do you feel today about a Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box, my friends. At this time, if we look the price chart of the Vechain, so that you can see yesterday, the 10th June price falls down completely, my friends. The price of the Vechain falls down on the 10th June. But now the current situation is I show you that the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so that's mean that the Vechain start pumping after a fast. So now at this time my prediction is that after a fast they start jumping, so it's clear that they will continue this jump for 2 days, maybe for 1 week they continue this jump. That is my prediction about Vechain, my friends. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about Vechain? Please also tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.